So, for Pete's sake, don't do this at home. Don't go out on the highway. Don't be stupid like that. But anyways, enjoy the video. So that's the jig was made up to help fix the frame. That's high tech. Let's see if the four-wheel peel will help get it off its perch. Be careful, don't want to wreck the rockers. Well, we'll get those on so we don't have to take them back apart. Well, that style didn't work. Ran out of threads. So we'll try a different style splint and see what goes. Either got these small ones or I got those big ones. So what I'll do is do 3 little splints. So I zip stripped it just to help get it started, and we'll go from there. So it was working. It'd go straight, no problem. Turn right, no problem. But going left, not so good. So looked around, sifted through the horde a little bit more. So it's on there pretty good, I think. You can see the tie rods moving. So we'll see what happens. So do not ever use this for highway use. Just because you saw it on a video, that means it's not good for highway use. You hear, y'all? This poor old truck. It's got mice nests in the door pans. We'll get her in tip-top shape, maybe. Well, you really don't want to turn the heat on. Has definitely a mouse nest. Maybe 2, maybe 3 or 4 condos. Mice condominiums inside the floor motor. Here's that. Oh, it stinks. Oh, that's awful. But yeah, that's about the 4th time I've tried, but we'll give up on that dream too. Oh, it stinks. Still got roots on the tires. We'll get them cleaned off eventually. There's some raw horsepower. An old truck with 325,000 and change. Doing all right. A little extra insurance that holds together. Just throw a ratchet strap there into the mix, and then that way it'll be good enough to get it on a trailer and into the garage and have a little bit of mobility, so then that way she's not restricted.